So we're gonna have donation here from Tony from Ilford, $17,000 from Tony from Ilford. Tony from Ilford, 17,000. Tony from Ilford. No? Deep. And if it's deep, we have Wolf a lifeguard here. Wow chef.
Yeah, man.
So the wow chef is lifeguard.
One side, you know.
Yeah.
Until the landslide.
Yeah.
Africa. What's your name?
Afia.
Afia. Thank you very much.
From the UK.
From the UK. Thank you very, very much. Afia.
$9,000.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Afia.
Big Sima Nana. Hey! Now I must stop jump on your belly.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
I want to say tree to chop down.
Further more.
Oh.
So I can see the night part.
Well. Blessed love, God. Blessed love. So we here in Trenchtown. Patrick, lock up, man. Patrick.
Woman last I see him. Palang ko na see him.
Patrick.
See them.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Lock up. No, Patrick.
Palang time na see him. Alright, you put out my running.
Safe him out there.
You know what you have in the ear?
Yeah. I got a donation for Patrick, but it looks like Patrick is not here. I know. I think him got mass pan it there.
Mass? Oh, in the worship, no?
Yeah.
Go back home. Then, come on, give me a beer.
Yeah. Alright guys, so Patrick is not about. So I'm gonna look Father for the year. Because I got a donation for Father for the year also. So I just see Father for the year. So we're there with Esther and there Rasta Jackson. I know Boom probably sleeping. We're not hearing him, we're calling him, we're not getting him, so Boom probably sleeping. Oh, somebody hear this. Somebody 4 locks. Boom do a lock up, man. Knockout. Yeah. When I'm coming through, you have to turn sideways. You can't get the Jack to stop.
You don't want to turn sideways. I'm thinking can come front way. If you walk like crowd.
Jack to stuck a while ago.
Come front way.
I can't put on more weight in a Jackson. Yeah. Can't put on no more weight when I'm coming through this fence.
Even the one this side, I'm going to come up.
We have to move from.
Your brother name, sir? Ah.
Father for the year. Yeah. Oh, go on. Father for the year. So you're going to rest up. For Shani Chine too? Shall I sleep? Yeah. The sun is hot. You reading?
Huh?
You reading?
Yeah.
You're okay?
Yeah.
What's wrong? Why are you looking staring?
Nothing's wrong.
I was cool.
She don't want to read out 2 books so before she get the tablet.
She have to read 2 books before she get the tablet. Well, so how many you gone already? You gone 1? Finish 1 already?
Second one, she's there for
Oh gosh, so you soon finish? Soon finish, right?
That's one of the tablets to go for that.
Oh, she want a tablet. So so you're gonna finish the next one, then you get the tablet then. Well, you put read the father for the year. Read 2 books before she get the tablet.
She just come from school, you can't go get grown up to get the tablet.
Okay.
You put out some reading for before you can
Yeah.
get the enjoyment. So then,
That's true. Oh, you put the education first, you know?
put straight up she with the brains. I know it's a good still, it is, but
Yeah.
once she get, I don't know if get them advance over certain.
Yeah.
In certain arts, you know, feel like you just kind of advance over the youth, them, I never expect that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
short of school pay,
So long.
split up back first, man, you know?
Yeah, and then again, actually, you keep her in the book
Yeah.
also, you know, so.
Keep out of the company.
So it come like she nobody miss. Like she still the same way.
Yeah.
Shannon,
Yeah.
what's wrong?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Sometimes water can on my eyes. When I'm using for staring too long.
Huh?
Sometimes water come up on my eyes when I stare too long.
Oh. Alright, good. So I got some donation here for you guys. Okay. I don't like the weather feels hot. Yeah, come out the sun.
Just had to
Yeah,
step in
today.
the shadow though.
And yesterday though,
Yesterday, so not my DIG, which me feel away.
you have to drink a lot of
Yeah,
water.
2 buckets of water, I drink yesterday also. 2 buckets of
You drink water already?
water. I think that's good.
Water.
Should I drink juice?
Oh, it's pure water.
Poetry.
Pure water you drink?
Should I drink punch? No? Yeah, the juice.
I don't like sweet things.
I don't like sweet things.
No, I don't like drinking sweet things.
That's good.
You don't go juice, we drink like cool kids. Not other juice.
Pure water.
I make carrot juice. Should I go on? Just the cold kids. First, I would drink the carrot juice, beetroot,
Yeah.
the onion juice.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. Too many sweets is not good, right? Let's keep it healthy.
Potassium kind of alright now. Potassium.
Potassium better now?
Fill up now, yeah.
That's good.
So, I carry go hospital Monday,
Yeah.
for children. So, the man tell me, say, and give me a date back there, June. But them say, now June, I'm going to have to take out the next one.
Oh, next pin.
Yeah, because I'm the one to steal and cause permanent damage or certain.
Okay.
Hopefully in June come, the final that you can move off. Today,
Yeah. Which one the pin now? Oh, that one. So you're gonna
the one straight piece of iron on the right office.
for one straight one them have in it.
And put one there underneath us. Pull it back.
Okay. That's good then. So at least now it can come out now when she does can, you know?
Yeah.
Get it straight in time. Just like for that one day. You know, get straight. Yeah.
See?
I'm getting it straight. You're hiding from the sun.
See how that punch guy. Where you go? Jamaica Day over there.
Jamaica Day, where you
When
went?
I found food, when I found something.
Sure. How was Jamaica Day?
Oh yeah, it was nice.
It was
I
nice.
also went on stage and I didn't want to go.
Having a lot of fun.
Each kid has to go on stage, just one kid, and have to sing their very own song and make up.
They have a lot of fun.
Not really, I went shy on stage.
You were shy? Is it? You got shy on stage? Wow.
We had judge.
You got judge. Only when you can get shy. Alright, so I got some donation for my father for the year. So first I'm gonna start off with Pat from New York. Come on, Pat from New York. This is $3,000 a year from Pat from New York.
Pat, I thank you very much and give thanks. Why she said precious thing $3,000 still. I love you. I love you for you still. A big heart towards school about yeah?
Yes.
Have a good day. Anyway, praise, peace.
Shelly, you want to tell Pat thank you?
Thank you, Pat. I want to do the same thing for you, but I'm just a kid. I can't donate. I can't go to the airport to fly to New York. The only thing I have to say is thank you, God bless you, and hope you have a very happy day in New York. Wish I was out there, but I have to choose which place I want to go, French or New York. I have a lot of new stuff to do there.
Hopefully you'll get there one day, okay? Alright, so I got another donation here from Michelle from Line in Town. So this is Michelle from Line in Town, 7,500. Michelle from Line in Town.
Michelle.
From Line in Town.
Michelle from Lionel Town, a big heart from you still, living, and loving heart from me to you back still. Okay? And I appreciate a little $7 when you send them to me still, because it's far away. I do have a go hospital Monday again for you see it or cost me still, okay?
Yes.
Because you go take blood test, urine test, and
Okay.
and the mother test.
Yeah.
Save the medication, we shall take.
If it work.
It's between the bone and all that thing.
Okay.
Then give what a result come in and children back. Show them so everything is okay.
Yeah.
So me for there back and forth with us stay away. So Michelle from
Lionel
Town give thanks. And a blessed year to you stay away. Is it? Peace, is it me? I love you.
So you can thank Michelle.
Hi Michelle, I love your name. I wish I had a name like that, but I have Shana. But there's just one thing I want to say. It's nice to see us. You saw us struggling. You thought you could just offer us a help, and that was sweet. Hope you have fun wherever you are, except for station. But you're not going to be at the police station though, because you're a sweet woman.
Thank you. Shannon can tell you she's highly. Alright, so we're gonna do a donation here from Tony from Ilford, $17,000 from Tony from Ilford. Tony from Ilford, 17,000.
Tony from Ilford. Boy, it's a great day. You know, say boy, somebody like you have a person like me and Sheena in your heart. You see, because and I have a person. You see, I know that you may talk about it, but a big heart from you and a big love from me too. You see, from to you. You see me? Love what say everything still. You see, because I'm not there to struggle, but somebody out there swear about you. Like, out of your eye, you see me? Out of your heart. Why? We love to say you and love to say appreciate when me have my daughter. Most about me, you're a good person. You're a good person, you see?
Yeah.
And big up yourself, you see?
Tony.
Love you.
Yeah,
See?
man. Tony.
Blessed.
So thank Tony from
Thank-
Ilford. From Tony from Ilford.
Hey Tony, I like what you did for us. That was a big donate. But I want to tell you a secret. I joined art club and singing club because I like doing them at the same time. Like sometimes I just do art and sing, which I like singing and I like doing art, and I wish I'd be a artist. You put singing and art together, it will be an artist.
Yes.
That's a very brilliant word.
Alright then, so give thanks
Thank
to
you.
well, thank you so much Tony from Ilford, thank you so much Tony from Ilford, and also Pat, we thank you as well for your donation, and Michelle, we thank you all for your blessings with helping out Father for the year, and his daughter Shanit, we thank you so much for reaching out. It's nothing but love and love alone. I'm gonna say it's nothing but our blessings. I would thank you so much for reaching out, for Father for the air and
Love
Shannon.
and blessing, you see?
Yes, I.
Love and blessing to all, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is. So,
Everything.
I love to see all, see out our eye.
Yeah.
See? You know, say God, God the people.
Yeah.
Keep up what you're doing still, is it? Love from my heart still, is it?
Yeah.
Alright. Respect, yeah.
Alright then, big up, yeah? Alright then, bye bye, Shannon.
Hi, have a great day.
Alright then, yeah, take care, yeah? Alright, bye bye. Oh, yes, sir. She got mango. Oh. Esther! Mango tree. Esther around here, look, mango. I can better mango Esther around here, look. I tell you, man. Could I tell you, say mango here around here, look?
You're not supposed to camp with them, Tara. You see them? See them right here, sir, two of them.
Could I tell you, say mango here around here, look? What's that?
Give me see.
Wait there.
Give me. That one is like look.
Wait there. Them the small, man. Esther, me can't reach that.
You carry it?
Look. I can't reach that.
You won't reach up there?
No, sir. Them the small. Them baby is in there.
Anthony.
Sir.
Make a big one, so the big one in a put us on. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to the wrong one to
Alright guys, so it is the next day. So right now I'm going to check and see if Patrick is here so I can give him this donation, because we want to go head to up by Mama River, we and boom them want all our vibes, you understand? Just gonna chill, sit, relax and all our vibe today. I think man, see a lock on the gate now, so it's like in there, boom. Patrick! Yeah, he's here. Yeah. So he's here, guys. So at least he's here. Yesterday, he called me, he wasn't here at all, so we have to go. So now he's here. Right, Rasta Jack, should I come? Oh, we're in the perfume side. Patrick!
Yeah.
What going?
Yeah.
Come check for you yesterday.
Me, yeah.
At the evening time.
Me never did oh, my government, me never go sit down.
You there?
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Oh.
But you have no choo in the house, hot and boring. Me just,
Support.
yeah, come on. Me just,
Cause somebody say you're gonna road.
no, man.
Okay.
Choo sometimes boring in the
What
house.
about your mouth? Cause them say the food that all about.
MashaAllah. Me I try, me I try to feed something, you know?
Okay. I can see that. It's good to eat, you know.
Yeah,
Feel the structure up.
yeah,
So
yeah.
everything good otherwise though.
Me have to give God thanks and prayers.
Most I.
Yeah.
All the time.
Yeah,
All the time you have to give God thanks.
thanks. Me have to give God thanks and praise. And God, I'm pray 5 times a day. I'm pray for you and
The dream team.
the dream team and the people them. When he send me money.
Yeah.
And the people, everybody will send money. All of them send me money.
Still pray
And
for
them
them.
send other people. Me still pray for them and thank them. Then them can
Yeah.
send.
And we appreciate that. I will give thanks, you know.
Yeah, man.
So because of that we have a donation as well to for you.
Yeah?
Yeah. We have a donation for you. Cause you always say, come at the right time.
Tina. Just look at yourself.
Trust it, trust.
Yeah.
We are whisper, but everybody can hear you whisper.
I
That's
just
a guy whisper, but everybody can hear my whisper boom. All the viewers, everyone that watch the program right, them are watch your whisper.
And somebody give me one tinners.
Oh, mackerel.
Yeah. I'm gonna cook it up and I eat it with 2 dumplings, you know?
Oh, some tinners they cook up.
Yeah. But yeah, I did a better.
But our thing that, you know,
Yeah.
mackerel, you know, tin mackerel, you know.
Vegetable, $100 for a pound of pop chow. Canal was $200. I can't believe cabbage at $150.
You have to go plant some in your yard. Why not plant some in the yard?
You know,
Some
look
pop
at me
chow.
that. Me not have space.
Oh,
Me not have space. You know. Yes, no. And you can't compete it with already, man. You can't compete
oh
it.
they know them.
Yeah.
They have to go drain.
You can't compete it with already, man. Kaka, Kina tell me say, me fi drink it.
Yeah, you must drain it. You know.
Drink it and drink it.
Yeah, it's good for you.
Yeah.
I have one in my car right now. I buy it from Ibos Spice. I always
Yeah.
drink them something, you.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, man.
I
yeah.
still have the something there me get from the brother there you know, for putting the rice. Them names?
Snagapos.
Snaga post. For putting the white rice.
Yeah, rice.
And I put the white rice, I put that. And some brown rice I cooked yesterday
Okay, that good.
morning. And this morning I chop and eat it, you know?
That good. Alright, so me have let me see what's doing I think from now. Some Afia. I have a donation here for you from Afia.
Afia.
Yeah.
Afia.
Her name is Afia from the UK.
Africa. What's your name?
Afia
Afia. Thank you very much.
from the UK.
From the UK. Thank you very, very much.
This is
Afia.
$9,000.
Thank you. Yes. Afia. Remember? Come to that. Yeah. Thank you.
Afia.
Thank you very much, Afia. God bless you. And I ask God to make you, whatever you work, you do, happiness, you do, you're successful in it. And God bless you. And grant you paradise. And make life easy for you, Afia. Thank you very, very much. Me thank you from my heart, Afia. Come and broke come and money. Me can't pay some bill with my war, you know. Because I trust to eat something. God bless you, Afia. God
Alright,
bless you, Afia. And thank you, Kina.
No problem.
Thank you, Kina.
Oh, yeah, man.
And people, God bless Stream Team.
Alright, then give thanks, yeah?
Yes,
Alright, then big up.
Yes,
Alright,
yes.
then.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Alright, then, so we give thanks to Afia from the UK.
And you know, say, for the more call somebody to check out yourself for me.
Okay.
Yeah. And I mean, never had too many money to grow up, you know. So I can call, you know, chop out them. I know them not charge no more than $1,000.
Yeah.
Chop out yourself for me. And Skinner, thank you very much. And Afia, God
Yeah, man.
bless you, Afia. Afia, I pray for you. Grant your perfect God, grant your paradise and make life easy for you. And make you successful in your work where you do, or your business where you do. God bless you, Afia. God bless you. Right in time.
Alright, then.
Alright, Kina.
Yeah, man, bless you.
Bless you.
Alright, then. Yeah, man, so give thanks to Afia. You know, thank you so much, Afia, from the UK, you know, for blessing Patrick. As you hear him can say, it came at the right time. The right time where he can help, you know, feed himself. Yeah. Got this them part. Open sesame. So you know we're gonna head up Margaret River now. You know while we're there, we're gonna check on Cranberry. You know, and the family and see how them do it as well while we're there. So stay tuned, guys. Bless. Nana! Who are you, man?
Can't hide.
Oh, she had a swimmer yesterday.
Man.
No, they.
Yeah, she has swimmer too.
She swim to but I
Look
talk.
over there, let's look over there, see.
Where's Toko?
Okay, jump on.
It's a Sunday church time, but my kids was say today. Oh.
Run go on up. Run go on now. Run go up. Boom, make a road.
Look one in a Chinese show, they call her Toko.
And I'm Toko.
No,
Look at go on, man.
cook and the man them clothes left and then thing there in there and cement thing and you got material. Left on the side of the mountain. You know, now left all them clothes, them gifts, you can see them cook, them burn at the back. That's what I feel to shoot now. That's what build all around there from the hotel.
The find I get bigger. Yeah, them I get big. Three of them.
You look at them, look big too.
Yeah. Them I get big. It's a sugar pine.
It's a cowboy pine.
Oh boy. Sweet. Yeah. Not now come upon that, eh? Quiet. Right, woman not there here. No, woman not there, man, that's why. Yeah. Woman, lock up. No one's here today. Like, give me that, fill up the bag then. Eh? Oh. Ah? Yeah. Are the first to come here like we're the only person here? Only two, except two person. Two females here. Yeah, notice. Are the first to come here we don't say no one at all. Yeah. And it's only them two ladies there. And we 6 person that river to them. Imagine that. 6 persons that river. Son, Boomer is not here. The shop lock up. But I don't check Cranberry them as yet. At least the music now play, you can hear the river now. Eh? No you, no you. So imagine it's only we at river today. Only us. Boomer, no one else. The first to come here, I want to say no one at all but us. except those 2 females that's here already. Well, that's a good sign. That means the today was definitely meant for us only. Can you imagine that? Just imagine, peaceful, no noise, just us. Just us. Oh, I'm just too early. Eh? What a cool wow? How do water feel? Water feel wow? Tight. Roro, look who we have here. Give her a say. Guys, you know I will set up by Dubwise Cafe. You know, I'm saying she work in the street supply, you know, my friend, you know, business place. So I never know she come outside. Surprised to see her up here. She's shy. Oh, she's shy. Tell me. Remember the last time, the last female was on the video, but she don't want to show her face when I was at Dubwise. Same place, but this is the next worker. But at least she's showing her face. You know, at least she's not that shy. She's showing her face, yeah? So she'll go see herself, you know. Trust me when she watch. So this one will encourage her to watch the program more. Because if you don't watch Keen Life in Jamaica, no we are going to know if she watch it or not. You know? Always the assistants come in, see the assistant coming, assistant is coming as well. So the street supply team is out. So if you want to get your merch, you know where to go. Dubwise Cafe, street supply, get your merch. Soon you're gonna see when Keena turn big artists, you're gonna see my merch in the store as well. You know, so the assistant here as well too. Trust me. She good with it, she good, very good. You know, good at marketing, you know, tell them. Say them want anything to get marketed, you can link it out. Of course.
What is Roman Coke?
Roman Pepsi. So they, yeah, so she have no, I don't market them, because I'm not giving nothing. We can't market them because they're not giving nothing at all, you know.
How long are there? How long now?
Not long. But 5 minutes? Yeah, it's so much. Just come and then we go to the car. Like aluminum swim. You know wet it. You know no wet it. Them no wet it. Right there. And then never go chuck out. No? Deep. And if it deep, we have Wolf a lifeguard here. Wow chef!
Yeah, man.
So the wow chef is a lifeguard.
One side, you know.
Yeah.
Until the landslide.
Yeah.
Hello, ladies, beautiful, you know. So beautiful, it's not the genius.
Yeah.
Think out, okay. We're there, man, yeah. Until we are swimming up. You ready to swim? so and so. Ready? Alright, genius.
Yeah, you're the lifeguard.
This is it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So, move there, and me there, and walk and boom there.
Yeah.
That is it now. Yeah, man. Twice, man. There, man.
As you can see, them a part of my team as well.
Vibes, but keep truck out. You want to get close to the front.
Yeah, you're on the team, no budget team.
Yeah.
No more man, no budget man. You're on the father of them. Out 2020.
Good life.
Good life. It's a good look.
It's a good look.
You're living good. Life is good.
Mm-hmm.
You get me? See it there?
Life is great.
Blessing.
Right over there.
Blessing, man.
Yeah. Right.
Side of the fathers, them. I own it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do your match, man. Yes, guy, you know, they are going with a good vibes, you know. After that time out, I will take for yourself, you know. Yeah, I imagine you come here, as I say, it was like 4 of us plus the 2 ladies them, and then all of a sudden, peer people start coming. Yeah, peer people start coming. I know I'm gonna go up by Cranberry then, so I'm gonna walk up there in a minute. Maurice, no. Let me see you swim now. Let me see you swim. Let me see you swim. Go on, let me see you swim. Let me see you swim. Wait there. Go on, your turn. Let me see you swim now. You can't swim? No. Right. Go on again, Norris. Go on, Norris. Flat. Street supply. I see all me go on, all know I'm not going to the water, you know. But whoa no. Whoa, I got chuck off. Whoa, it's gonna chuck off. Cranberry. She help you now? So she help you too?
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah. I follow her.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you go, yes.
Come hold on to my hand too. Me I help too.
You help. Thank you.
Yeah.
Daddy, you know.
And you all?
Careful.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time. Kino. Yeah. Not today.
You hear that? You said it, not today.
Not today. Take your time, brother.
Yeah, young girl there, you say, me have one bad knee. I mean, I know when this fella Andrea come up here, so come back.
No, but it's good for the exercise.
For the exercise, yeah, but you are damaging the damn knee.
Yeah.
Stop it. Just chill. Stop it now. You have to go carry me to one near a river. This is the nearest one.
The nearest one this year.
I don't know what you're talking about. A country river.
A country river.
Tulsi river.
Alright, so when you come in next time, you just put on your water shoes. So it's more comfortable when you're walking.
Exactly.
Because through your van the slippers.
Damn right. And
Yeah.
I'm going to step down in the river. Next now, walk. You should walk here where it is. What's it? And step down. I step down in the river.
The step up. You see your friend have on her water shoes?
Right.
You need to just get one of those.
Yeah. Oh, she give me half an hour to get ready this
Oh, okay.
cancel out everything.
Yeah.
This is it?
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
You see it's not far?
A half hour to get up here.
Oh,
Oh, please. It will take a minute.
a minute. So you see the walking is not bad? But if you got a... No problem. But once next time let's get her water shoes so when she come in.
Water shoes. You never carry it yourself.
Oh.
The water shoes will be better because it's more secure on your foot.
Yes, yes.
So definitely.
Yeah. That's good.
Definitely.
Nana, you swim already, Nana? Nana, your head wet. Rasta head.
I look like I reach up quicker than when I was going.
Someone was eating thinking toe.
That's why I smell so damn stink.
See there?
It's stinky, man.
What?
Jesus. I would never imagine. I will come up here and
Smell it.
What smells?
This man.
Can I eat that with you?
Thinking toe. See Toko? Right, there's a. I ate your smell, you know, smell it a while ago.
Jesus. You mean the fruit?
Yeah.
I can't get one?
No, but someone break it out the shell already.
And do what with it? Nothing in my car. I put it in my handbag.
That one break out the shell. If you put that in the car, trust me.
Oh my. See, there's up on the tree. It's good for us, you know. Nice making it.
Alright then.
If I see you next time, I will come if I get here. If
Okay.
see you next time, when you have a shina easy, where should I see you? I came up easier than going down. Yes, because normally it's going up is pretty easy.
No, because the first experience was.
And not only that, it was me alone. Look how much the tree, she had to turn the tree of them I help her.
Yeah.
It's me alone was helping. I'm scared of heights, so when I look over, so it's like,
Yeah, the drop. Alright then.
alright, take care. Bye guys.
Alright, bye. Alright, kids. Nana, Toko, Miss Shyberry. Miss Shyberry. You see, Cranberries them is doing the good deed. They're helping, right? They're helping also. Stop acting Shyberry.
Yeah.
Toko, I saw you was beating up Cranberry. Your mommy cooking?
She done cook lunch.
She don't cook. What she cook?
Chicken and rice.
So why you never cook? You can't cook? You can't cook chicken?
Yeah.
You can't. If you could have, you would have.
I can't cook today.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Come talk over. We're going to teach them how to swim, okay?
Oh,
We're going to teach my friends them how to swim.
it's where I go to.
Right there, sir.
Yeah. Better remember about your pine. Better remember about the pine.
You see the pine already? What about the jackfruit? The jackfruit ready?
Why? Yes, you don't get one.
So you don't leave any for me?
No.
Hey, listen. I'm going to go up there right now.
And you look now? You see the same one where you tell your card, trip it, so pick it.
Talk up about your tab.
I trip it, pick it, and give it. And you say today if you come, we follow, we go up there and make him, and call him, make him pick the jackfruit for free.
Alright, so come here, I'll call him. Give me the jackfruit. Man,
Yeah, tell him.
you never saved none for me. See you, Cranberry.
I think you never come.
I mean, you think me never come.
My mother, I mean, call it this morning, too. Eh? I mean, call it this morning.
No?
My mother said, just call him up this morning. I think I didn't call him.
No.
I got me call him. You say, mother,
I never gonna call him.
let me go put that in the daddy.
You put it down.
Well, I get something there to keep it extra.
Oh, say Esther then. Oh, I see me now go on. The drowning? Oh. Big simmer there. Good. You so long I know I can't go in the water. Pinch you the hills and make it through. Water push up. These are the big swimmers here, them. Big swimmer them. Yeah. Eh? Coco. Big swimmer, Nana. Hey. Now I must stop jump on your belly. Jump like that. No, man, the camera.
Sorry, Dad.
Sure. Younger one of the big thing. I know.
Excuse.
Cool.
Look at, turn the camera from me. My son.
Cranberry, you're fighting. Take your time and stop splash. No, the camera. The culinary. Oh gosh. Come on the mark. Oh gosh, man, you're trembling. She's trembling. Want your towel? You make my door want to me anymore.
Why?
Pull on the body, 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 pull on the body. Tell them that when we are doing it. Ken. You not cover these yet? Not cover them yet?
Hey, why not? Have nice.
You only cover two? Only 2. You know? You have to cover these. Oh.
Tomorrow I'm supposed to put the 2 before over them and beat them down back.
Yeah.
Alright, the same actually use it, but through them tired, they mash up. So
Oh.
then it's about Monday or tomorrow if you mind me to.
Okay. I'm thinking I'll go further back. Alright guys, so I'm a bit wet as well. So you know, I've been enjoying myself today getting a swim. So yeah, we did mention about, I heard you guys saying about the bottles over it. So I did mention it to them to put the bottle over it because we could see the danger as well. So I only can say sometimes, you know, but I only saw 2 bottles. Last time it was 1, now it's only 2. You know, so they need to look some bottle and put them over it so the risk is not too much, you know. So we appreciate you guys' consideration, you know, of the danger of what's going on, you know. So as you can see, the dad is putting in the work. Hello, Cranberry, stand up right there, so. Tired?
No.
Cooking?
No.
What are you doing? You don't swim now.
I something that me want to buy.
Go cook. Go cook. Camille. Yeah, cook. You make porridge?
Yeah.
Cook, you make porridge? You make porridge, Nana? No? You want porridge?
You want one?
Nana, why you look like that? Move it on. Way. You want Camille porridge?
Yeah.
Go put on clothes.
Go put on clothes then.
Yeah. Hello, Tara. You have money? Beg your money? Give me money. Tara, give me money. Give me some money. Tara. Tara not giving the money. A porridge you want today too? You want cranberry boiled porridge for you? Yeah? You want cranberry boiled porridge? Seriously? Choo. You like it when she boil porridge?
Yeah. How my porridge nice.
Oh, you said true?
Yeah.
Nana said no.
Yeah.
Nana.
I'm sure there's someone more putting in porridge, you're going to laugh.
Where you putting it? No, you have to show me. Come tell me. Come here.
I'll tell you. See something there when you no egg. When I put it in there, the porridge is nice.
What? Nothing egg?
Yeah.
And what else?
And the last car, normally we put coconut in there too, and it's nice.
Coconut?
Yeah, coconut can make like you blend it, like milk, and strain it, and sweeten it with sugar. Too fella.
Big chef.
In a tree, that's why I say, if we have coconut in the
You hear that? She make caramel porridge, you put coconut inside. I don't understand. Make pick jackfruit?
Yeah.
And don't eat any?
Watch it.
Seriously?
Yeah. Pee-pee.
That's not good. So how am I gonna get any?
How we eat it?
But you're supposed to save one for me.
You never know, see.
Nah, man. That's not good.
More up there, no see one like one day like you see the one there.
The bad not there yet to pick it. Who tell you it's ripe? You have to smell. Them say you have to smell jackfruit to make it ripe.
So can call when you.
And if there's so much jackfruit in the tree, how are you gonna know which one is ripe?
Yeah, it's soft.
Soft.
You still can get it soft.
White nose. White nose doing fine now.
Yes, eat off.
You eat it off. Oh my. My. Tara, you have money? High five. We never put bottle over these. It's not safe. You know? Why not put bottle over the steels them? Why not walk and look bottle and put over the steels? So one bottle right there today. That empty?
up my clothes.
Yeah, bully, miss. You want to get more bottle and put over the steels them because it's not safe. Right? Get more bottle. Need more.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Yesterday, I done a river wash and one artist did come from the river. Wash, but him say, when they done shoot the video, they gonna put me in the clip. But you know what she must say, script to close him, script. But they make shoot piece with them, the girls nobody in there because them didn't know come on. I'm talking it up for them.
Which artist then?
Ayakin.
Oh, Ayakten. Okay. Big artist. You know Ayakten? No, big artist. So put the TV up. Let me see what I go on. TV up already. So turn the music. Turn the music. So you never put anything up there, so?
Yeah, one board. But I told them they want to watch it in the night.
That's why I put it up. I watch Kima Life.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yes,
So Kino Life in Jamaica?
every single time we go on Jeffy Life as you. Mommy,
What are you using, the data?
Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi?
No, the data from my phone, but just turn it on.
Somebody do this.
It finished today. But my them father end up by one day plan. One day.
What happened to you, miss?
And stop it.
I'm so happy with the bathroom now.
Good.
You can't talk us on the can't tie good.
Come tell it, Toko. When you see round the wall, tell you put the cement on it.
And put the cement?
Yeah, with the steel.
Oh, when the arms. Oh, you cast this. Oh, so you cast this. You cast the news as well. So my cast it go around same way?
Yes.
Okay. So basically guys, if I cast it. Yeah.
But I told the sun.
Oh.
So by tomorrow we'll get someone's sun and we'll get the clean.
Okay. So now I got inside bathroom. So my cast in here so as well in space as well too?
Yeah.
Must cast this, okay. Okay. First I'm seeing this style. First time. Where you going on the road?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy something.
How we had a video, me miss? Yes.
A liar.
Yes, I true.
One Tara can go on. You have video too? No, sir. Everybody talk of video me too. Alright guys, so you know the thing goes already, so today is my day off to come and chill, all the vibes and everything, so we're gonna keep you guys posted. So I'm gonna head back down the river to see what I go on. And Miss Toko, yeah, video me, she turned video lady. We had a TikTok tactic. Sure. Buy a drop. Yes, sir. Cheese. White nose, put on a little bit of weight still. No, white nose not so. The dog food finish.
Yeah.
So white nose put on a little weight. It didn't have so much ribs like the last time. Put on a bit of weight. Alright then, so bye. See you guys. Alright. Bye, Tara. Bye. Tara can show off.
Bye.
Bye. You don't want to get more bottles and put over these. Yeah. Where?
Cranberry will tear.
We want to put some more buckle and those ones up there till the wind time. Bye bye, Tara.
You want to buy juice?
Oh, true, she have money, she want to spend it. Bye bye, Nana. Bye bye. Oi. Watch ya. You see that Toko? Enough. Hey, you see, Toko is something else, I'm not lying. Toko is something else. Toko say, I see that. I see that. Oh, sir. Ah. Toko say, I see that. Toko.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.